Just got a question to ask. Have you cashed in your ticket? Have you bought your ticket? Jesus says he's coming soon, and he told us that 2,000 years ago. How much more soon is his coming today? He says he stands at the door and knocks. He's knocking on your heart. He's knocking on your soul. For those of you who don't know Jesus, now is a good time to start learning about him. You want to get that ticket cashed in so you can depart with him. The train is almost full. He wants to get as many people on that departure as he can. Cash in your ticket.